everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I wanted to film modest back to school outfits for you guys, and these are just going to be super realistic. If I was going back to school, I would probably be wearing these, and I wanted them to be a little more fall or cooler weather appropriate because I've already done a back to school video. It was more towards warmer weather than cooler weather. And I feel like you can just never have enough inspo for back to school. Before we get into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video. That's seriously so exciting. I have a couple pieces from Nordstrom and Zella that are absolutely my favorite. These pants I have been wearing non-stop. They are absolutely perfect for back to school because they're super comfortable. You don't really have to think a lot about what you're putting on, but you still look really cute. Nordstrom has everything on their website, so make sure to check the description box for all the links to the products I'm going to talk about today. And honestly, anytime you need anything, just go to Nordstrom's website. They have it all. And with that, let's get into the outfits.